Hello everyone!
I am Jamarose Balagot Vasquez.
I am Dina Abubu.
From Bachelor of Science
In Food Technology,
2A.
we are your future.
Food Technologist.
Let your food to be your medicine and your medicine to be your food. It is like when we eat, it takes away the negativities and to make it as a source of healing to positivities.
In modern societies, most of the food being consumed has been processed. The Maillard reaction in food provides information about the main reactions that are occurring during the baking and cooking of food products. The processing of food is promoting non-enzymatic browning reactions involving proteins and reducing sugars. The Maillard reaction has been named after the French physicist and chemist Louis Camille Maillard from 1878 to 1936, who initially described it.
An onion cook, they release their moisture and cells begin to break down, causing them to be softened. Sugar are released and as they heat up, both caramelization and a common chemical reaction in food occurs called Maillard reaction or Maillard browning. In preparing Maillard browning, we need to prepare our ingredients. We need onion in dice chop, butter, and baking powder. Our procedure: first, we heat the pan. Second, put 2 tablespoons of butter but we use margarine. Third, put the chopped onion, divide into 2 portions. Fourth, put the baking powder to the 1 portion and mix it. Fifth, take 1 tablespoon every 2 minutes in our sample. Maillard browning is also known as non-enzymatic browning. It is extremely complex process and is the reaction between reducing sugar and proteins by the impact of heat. The Maillard reaction starts with the reaction of reducing of sugar with an amine, creating glycosilamine.
Maillard reaction produces flavor and aroma during cooking process, and it is used almost everywhere from the baking industry to our day-to-day life to make food tasty. It is often called non-enzymatic browning reaction since it takes place in the absence of enzyme.
The Maillard reaction or non-enzymatic browning reaction between reducing sugar and proteins is known to cause serious deterioration of food quality during processing and storage.
It is an extremely process and is the reaction between reducing sugars and proteins by the impact of heat.
The important thing about the Maillard reaction isn't the color. It is the flavors and aromas. Indeed, it should be called the flavors reaction, not the browning reaction. The molecules it produces provide the potent aromas responsible for the characteristic smell of roasting, baking, and frying.
The Maillard reaction are sensory attributes generation such as color, flavor, aroma, and texture. The negative aspects are of flavor development, flavor loss, discoloration, and loss of protein nutritional value.
Following the right path to take an action to deal with positivities that life is important with foods.
Nothing is possible when there is food that makes everyone in a good mood. Thank you for watching.